As your business grows, you might find that you have less and less time for content creation, but that doesn't make it any less important. Lucky for you, there's a ton of great tools out there for keeping track of your content ideas. In this video, we'll go over a few of our favorites and show you how you can use them. First up is Jasper.ai. Jasper is a super advanced AI writing assistant that can help you with all your marketing copy needs. It isn't perfect at mimicking human-written content, but it's surprisingly close. You can use Jasper just to gather ideas, or to write out entire blog outlines, or just to save you from the dreaded blank page. It's really great for that. Next up is Google Trends. Research is important in generating content that resonates, so you should use the best tools out there. Google Trends is a free website that fits that bill perfectly. It'll help you analyze the most common search terms across different regions and languages. You can use it to inspire topical content that your viewers are sure to eat up, and that's sure to pop up in organic searches. This way, you kill two birds with one stone, get great new content ideas, and keep things SEO friendly to bump up your site's organic traffic. Here at MemberPress, we love the Strive Content Calendar. It's a WordPress plugin that helps you schedule out content right from the WordPress dashboard. A content calendar is a critical tool in general, and Strive makes it so easy to keep on top of things and make sure you don't run out. You can set Strive up to release content regularly so your subscribers never miss out on new material. You might be hearing all these tips and wondering, but I'm not sure what to create. Well, look no further than BuzzSumo. It's a powerful toolkit that helps you figure out what's popular right now and what thought leaders in your industry are saying. For high-quality content research in a flash, BuzzSumo is the way to go. Last, but definitely not least, is a bit of a strange one, in that it's not one specific tool. User-generated content, or UGC, is any content made by your users that relates back to your business. This can be anything from reviews and videos to Instagram posts and podcasts. Not only is UGC a source of free content, including it in your content mix lets your users feel included in part of a community, and that's bound to keep them coming back. There's a lot of content creation tools out and about, and this list is by no means exhaustive. Find something that works better for you? Tell us about it in the comments. And be sure to like and subscribe if you like the video. And for more great content ideas, be sure to check out the MemberPress blog. There, you'll find ideas, tips, and tricks for growing your MemberPress site and beyond. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos that makes getting MemberPress up and running a breeze.